Hello guys, today we are going to look on an error which is relevant to the Geoserver layer preview error. So this is the error actually we have here, and let's take a look at the picture of this error. Uh, so this is the error we get on the page of the when we open the layer preview. Like after the installation of Geoserver on your machine, you go and open the layer preview, and this is the error you will get in the layer preview page. So let's go to the installation page of the Geoserver installation. Okay, and here we currently have this one, Geoserver 2.251. So let's go down and look at this one, Java 17. So here they are saying like Java 17, it's supported for Geoserver 2.23 and above. So the support currently it's experimental, and you might face the issues which is the same one we have here. Okay, so actually this problem is coming because of the Java 17 version. So it's better to, like here we have Java 11, so which is perfect, and it's working completely fine with the Geoserver. So for this one, if you have already installed Java 17, the solution is simple. Just uninstall this one, Java 17, and then we have to do the installation of the Java 11. So for this one, let's say we will go to the Google and we will search for Java JDK 11. Okay, we will go to the Java downloads page, and there we need to scroll down and look for Java 11. So here we have Java 11. I will click on this one, and then we need to select our environment. So currently I am running on Windows, so I will select Windows, and there I will see the option to download the JDK 11. So just do you have to do is download this Java version. Okay, install this one. After this one, you might have to add this installation path to the environment variables. So once you install it, add the path of this JDK 11 to the environment variables, and then restart your system and open the Geoserver page. So hopefully it will work for you. So currently I am having this local Geoserver running on my machine. I am logged in. Okay, so I will go to the layer preview page, and here I can see different layers. So I will open this one, USA population, in open layers. Okay, and you can see it's giving me the preview perfectly here. Okay, so but if you have Java, like we were saying before, so if we install this one Java 17, so you might face this problem. So it's better to go with the Java 11 version, and then everything will be perfectly running for you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys. See you. Bye.